Hi everyone, welcome to ITED 521 Zappar Training. To start off, the very first thing we need to do is I need you to check your school email and I need you to accept the invitation from canvas.instructure.com. That is how you will view the lessons for the Zappar Training. So go check your email, accept the invitation from me, and then we can get started. Zappar Training. We are starting out on canvas.com, where you will find our class displayed under ITED 521 Zappar Training. If you will double click on that, the tutorials will appear and then we can start getting busy on creating a Zap code. A Zap code is a form of augmented reality that merges the virtual world with the real world, creating a unique experience for users that affects their smell, their sight, and their experience with what's really happening. It's really neat, and how we're going to do this is through the website my.zap.works. I'm going to say that again, my.zap.works, and if you will open a new tab, we can hop on over there and get registered. You will register through ZapWorks by creating a free personal account. You can register with Facebook or Google, and you're ready to rock and roll. We want to create a personal account because we get the free Zap code with our personal account. And this is our home screen. If you will click this button in the top left-hand corner titled Make a New Zap Code, we can start creating our augmented reality experience. So we're going to start with Designer today. So I'm going to select Designer and create my Zap code. Here is your Zap code. I'm going to click to edit. We have to download our Zap code, and I want to download this PNG. If you don't have a tracking image yet, I suggest using canva.com. It is a fantastic website to use to download PNG files, and I'm going to upload the tracking image. You have created your tracking image and you have added the Zap sticker to your tracking image. You can click to edit, and we're going to have to edit the Zap code content. If you'll notice on the side, you can add an image, which we will be adding lots of images to our poster to appear when it is scanned. You can add a photo album, a video from YouTube or Vimeo. You can add sounds, text, buttons, a contact as if you were going to put it in somebody's phone, and a calendar event. So the first thing we need to do is we need to rename the scene 1 to our main scene, because we are about to be adding a lot of features to this, and so go ahead and label this as main screen. Alright, now let's upload some images. That is the first feature we want to focus on, so come up here to images and download which PNG images you want to use. Now what we're going to do is I want you to look down here and I want you to click on transitions. This is how the stickers will appear when it is scanned by an iOS device. So click on transition. We're going to transition it, slide in from left, transition out, slide out to right. I'm going to have a length of 1.0 second and a delay of 0.5 seconds. Transition out, 1.0 length and 0.5 delay. Alright, then do your other ones the same way. So we are going to focus on adding a video. Go up to the plus sign, create a scene for where the video will be. After I have created the new scene, I will click on video and select how I will upload it. You have 3 choices to choose from: upload, YouTube, or Vimeo. Select which way and upload your video. Once it is finished uploading, you can scroll down, click on Appearance, and select a border for your video. You can change the color and the thickness of the border. The last thing we need to do is add a Go Back button. Select Image on the side, upload your button, scroll down to Actions, select On Tap, go back to Scene, Main Scene. And that is how you add the video feature to your poster. Every time we finish a feature, we need to make sure we go up in the corner and click back on main screen. The next feature we are going to learn about, which is the easiest feature to learn, is how to link to a web page. So I'm going to click on the sticker that I want to link to a web page, go down to Actions, On Tap, Link to, and then copy and paste your website in this blank, and then you are finished. And for the user, it will take them directly to that website you want them to view. The last feature we are going to talk about today in our Zappar training is adding the button feature. So I would use the button feature if you do not want to upload your stickers about your facts individually by PNG files. You could just use the button feature. So how we do that is I will come up here and create a new scene, and I will label it donut. And then I click on button over here on the sidebar. You can click on it, you can change the text, change the transitions, and you can change the appearance. And that is how you create your button feature. To preview your Zap code, click Preview in the top corner, grab an iOS device, open Zappar, and scan your Zap code and see what creation you have made. That will conclude today's training. Thanks for joining in.